You'll need a UV black light, UV dye, and yellow contrast goggles. In this scenario, I have a small leak from our power steering fluid. I'll be using this AC Delco fluorescent dye and pour it just a tiny bit into the tank of the power steering fluid. After placing the cap back onto the power steering fluid tank, ensure you turn on your vehicle for at most as 2 minutes to ensure the dye gets circulated into the system. Using the UV light, locate the parameters of the power steering fluid, the hoses, and the tank. Then you notice and you'll find your spot where the leaking is coming from. In just a few seconds, you'll be able to notice the light yellowish greenish color, and there it is. There's the leak that you have.